Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a whiteboard in Canva. Canva whiteboards are perfect for brainstorming, planning projects, creating mind maps, collaborating with your team, and organizing ideas visually. Let's get started. First, open Canva and sign in to your account. From the Canva homepage, click the Create button or use the search bar at the top. Type whiteboard and press enter. You'll see several whiteboard templates. Choose blank whiteboard if you want to start from scratch, or select any free template if you prefer a ready-made layout. Once the whiteboard opens, you'll notice that the canvas is much larger than a regular design. This gives you plenty of space to organize your ideas. Now let's add some content. Click text to insert a heading or notes, then open elements to add shapes, arrows, icons, or flowchart items. You can also add sticky notes to organize tasks or ideas. If your Canva version includes the Draw tool, you can use it to sketch diagrams, underline important points, or write notes directly on the whiteboard using your mouse or stylus. You can zoom in and out to navigate the large workspace, drag the canvas in any direction, and continue expanding your whiteboard as needed. This makes Canva whiteboards ideal for planning sessions, presentations, team meetings, and visual collaboration. When you've finished creating your whiteboard, click Share to invite others to collaborate, or download your whiteboard if you need a copy. And that's it. That's how you create a whiteboard in Canva. It's a simple but powerful feature for organizing ideas and working visually. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Canva tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.